Desjardins Online Investment Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Desjardins Online Investment are in the description below. Let's get straight to it. Desjardins Online Investment is a Canadian robo-advisor that offers automated wealth management for individuals looking to grow their savings with minimal effort. Designed for both beginner investors and those with a bit more experience, this platform helps you build a diversified portfolio using a blend of low-cost ETFs and index funds, all managed automatically. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth over time, Desjardins aims to take the complexity out of investing and make it accessible to everyone. Key features. Desjardins stands out with its customizable portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. After a brief questionnaire, the platform creates a personalized investment plan that balances growth with risk management. One of the platform's main advantages is the low fees compared to traditional investment methods, which makes it appealing for long-term investors. Additionally, Desjardins provides automatic rebalancing to ensure that your portfolio maintains the right allocation over time, and you also get access to regular portfolio updates and reports, keeping you informed about your investment's performance. Strengths. The biggest strength of Desjardins Online Investment is its user-friendly interface and straightforward setup, making it ideal for investors who are looking for ease of use. It's also a great option for those seeking cost-effective investing with low management fees and no hidden charges. The platform is backed by the trusted Desjardins brand, which adds a layer of credibility for users looking for security and reliability in their investment journey. Weaknesses. However, while Desjardins is an excellent choice for beginner investors, it may not offer the advanced features or asset options that more experienced investors are seeking. The platform also lacks some of the customization found in more premium robo-advisors and doesn't provide much flexibility in selecting individual stocks or assets. Conclusion. In conclusion, Desjardins Online Investment is a solid robo-advisor for beginners and intermediate investors who want a simple, low-cost way to build wealth over time. Its automated services, low fees, and personalized portfolios make it an excellent choice for Canadians looking for a hassle-free investment experience. If you're looking for an easy-to-use robo-advisor to manage your investments with minimal effort, Desjardins is a great option. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.